Hi there, 7th graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and we're going on to week 10. So we're going to begin Unit 2. So our first unit was on ancient civilizations and how they began in the Eastern Hemisphere. And this Unit 2, we're going to be comparing different types of governments in the Eastern Hemisphere. And we're not necessarily looking at ancient forms of government, although we will look back in history some, but just different forms of government and a lot of what's going on right now in the Eastern Hemisphere as far as different types of government. So, as always, if you would please check your grade book, check your Schoology messages, check your email, all of that good stuff that you do every couple of days anyways. You're watching the weekly video, hopefully on Monday, so that's good. And then here is your suggested schedule. And don't forget about the ballot extra credit opportunity that is here and only good for another couple of weeks. So take a look at that. Let me know if you have any questions. And, that was Unit 1. We're not in Unit 1 anymore. We are in Unit 2 now. And so week 10, 3 things to do. I'd like as soon as you're done with this video, go ahead and open up the Unit 2 diagnostic, and I would like you to do that first. And really, being 7th graders now, I'm really looking for a good, strong, at least paragraph from you. There's not a real minimum, but try and do at least a good, strong paragraph. You have some readings about different types of governments, a bit of a video, and then we're going to go into the types of government you're going to be comparing, and you're going to complete this chart. There are actually 2 charts, and make sure that you do both charts. Open this up for you. See that there are actually 2 charts. Kind of hard to see like that. So this is the first one where you're going to be talking about the different types of governments, and then definition, advantage, disadvantages for each of them. And then here are some suggested sources of information for you to complete that chart, and also this chart where you have different countries. You're going to tell what type of government they have and then give a description of that type of government. So these are your 2 charts to complete for this week. Get all these out of the way. Thank you. All right, and so those are your assignments for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, most questions can be answered by going into the Start Here folder and going into the Tips, Tricks, and Student Resources. But let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Take care. Thanks. Bye.